Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.